Today we're gonna do. Hi guys, today we're gonna do another Minecraft video. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so let me open Minecraft. I opened it. Don't worry. Play. And then we are going to go on a new world. I forgot. Oh yeah, I don't need that. Create, yes. Oh, that. We here can skip a lag out of us by chilling. Well, that's what I do. Kinda always this. And this is only lagging because I'm recording right now. Because usually it doesn't really lag. It's just you guys. You guys are making me lag. Okay. So now we're just gonna practice our aim. Let's use a bow. Duh, 'cause you practice your aim with a bow. Okay, bow. Cool thing is you don't need arrows. Stay on that cow. Ta-da. Yeah, right in the face. But no, that's sad. Okay. Let's get a notch apple, a golden apple, an enchanted golden apple, and let's just, yeah. I feel like someone should be here. Oh my god, that was a weird sound. I think they added that to something. I think someone should be here. I don't know, they call, whoa, look at his feet, flying from me. They did call me on my cell phone. They did call me on my cell phone. Let me just get my cell phone out. Where is it? I have a pink cell phone, guys. Am I lucky? Where is my cell phone? Here it is. Oh, there's my cell phone. Wait. What was that? Listen. Oh, it's a spider. But I hear like. Hello? Anyone here? Someone! Hello? What is that? Who's here? Hello? Hi! Who are you? Who are you? Whoa. Look, there she is. She can fly. Happy girl. You're a happy girl. Do you look like I am? Okay, guys. She is my sister. Come here. Come sit next to me so you can talk into the mic. Come here. And we're just going to play a little Minecraft together. So what do you want to do?
I think we should make some explosions where it just explodes us up into there.
Oh, explosions? Okay.
Always the funnest thing to do in Minecraft. For me, it is.
Yes. I can't find TNT.
I already got it.
What the heck?
I already got it.
But I want to do it too.
Okay.
Oh la la. Found that.
I'll just go ahead and make like a...
Where is it?
It's in like the sword icon.
Oh.
Up there.
Oh, it's right here. I'm such a noob. I'm going to make one too. Sheep, get away.
But the only reason is I don't know how to use redstone if we need redstone.
We do. And I do know how to use it. I already have it in my inventory. Don't look my inventory to see what I have. Okay, I'm gonna get this high. What are you doing with that wood? Don't put wood near it. It's gonna blow up. Woo. Whoa, that's one big explosion. Let's make a statue, then let's blow it up. Okay, so let's make. Ooh, I know what to do. I'm going to. I'm gonna make a mini TNT block. Well, not a mini, a huge TNT block out of wool, that stuff, and then I'm going to blow it up like, haha, you blew it. You know what I mean. I'll see when I'm done. I'm gonna go build over there. It's a bigger space. What are you gonna build? Come near the mic. What are you gonna build?
I'm just going to make a big, like, tunnel thing.
Tunnel?
Yeah, that goes into the air and put some,
TNT in it?
yeah. And I'm going to be flying into the air
Okay.
with it.
Oh, so like a cannon thing?
Yeah.
But made out of TNT? Yeah, those are cool. Okay, now let's... Oh, this is very laggy. She's not lagging at all.
Because I'm not recording.
You never recorded.
It's my first time on YouTube. My voice.
Okay. Oh, this is just weird. I'm gonna make a mini one. And when I feel like I'm good at doing this, I'll make a big one. I'll make it off camera because it's too laggy when I'm on camera. So I'll probably make the big one off camera. And then we will show it to you, but not now. So I'm going to be right back because you don't want to watch me do this. BRB. Hi guys, I'm not finished, but she's about to do her little launch off. Oh my god, it's so laggy now. Okay, 5, 4, flint still. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, he just fell down.
Oh.
Weird.
Wasn't I supposed to go up?
I don't know. Well, bye guys. Well, I'm not going to leave you guys, but BRB. Okay guys, we're still not done. We're almost done. That's the first time I've seen a slime and PE version.
That actually spawned by itself?
Yeah, so bye.
Just
Okay, hi guys. So, we're back. And I just wanted to show you it before you blow. Oh my god, it got so laggy. So, fly. I can't even fly because how laggy it is. Okay. So, I couldn't really do ends. So, those are O's. O, T-N-O, T-N-O. Oh, lag is crazy. Drop. Drop me. We even did the top part. That's how good designers we are. I know we are bad at this, and I'm so scared if this is working. Okay, where's the rest? Don't move. Is it working?
No.
Okay.
Oh, look.
Wait, don't do
Does
it.
it work like this?
Move.
I don't think that would.
Yes, it does.
And over here is not lining up.
I know, because we know. Watch it. My screen went like crazy, and everything's invisible. Look. BRB. Hi guys. Well, that was so bad. I couldn't even see anything. You can tell my sister. I was just looking in the ground on her screen. It was crazy. Let's go to the world and let's see the damage. 'Cause I still haven't seen it. Oh god, this is scary. That's oh my god, I can move. Oh, hi, Dose. Hi, happy girl.
Hi,
Hi.
hey, Kitty 10 Love, I think.
Kitty 101 Love, I think. Kitty 101 Love, yes. Should we end this episode here since I can't fly now? And that was already 10 minutes, so, you know, it's very laggy. Wait. 5. She's gonna say bye, and 5.
Wait. I can't find it.
4. 3. Am I recording? Oh, yeah. 2. And 1. I told you guys. And yes, indeed. Bye. Where is it? Bye. Bye. See you in the next episode. GTG.